Hello my friends, welcome again. I have opened here in the browser, I have opened the classified.ads website project, and here is the project is Laravel Fresh application. Also I have opened the terminal and I am inside the classified.ads. I'm going to install in this video the authentication package, and if you go to the Laravel documentation, here we have a package and we have a breeze. We have for Fortify, which is for the APIs. We have a Jetstream and Passport. I'm going to install the Jetstream. I think is the more compact one. You can install Breeze. Is easy to use. It has everything if you want to make some changes. Is very beginners friendly, this one, but I think I'm going to use the Jetstream because the Jetstream is coming with Livewire or Inertia, and I'm going to use with Livewire because I'm going to add some Livewire components in this project. If you want Vue.js, you comment in this video and I'm going to see what I can do. Maybe I can do another project with Vue.js. So if you like that, comment and I'm going to see. So here we have, go to the installation part and copy this command, go to the terminal and paste it. Okay, I have opened also the table plus, and I want to create a database named classified ads. Okay, data is not I'm going to create new one, classified ads. Okay, so create new one, classified ads. Okay, and open that one. This is because I spell incorrect the name, classified. This is with two S's. And now if I go here, everything is okay. Now we need to install the Jetstream with the Livewire. So PHP Artisan, Jetstream install, and the Livewire version. And after that, we need to run the npm install, npm run dev, and run the PHP Artisan migrate to create the migration, to create all the tables we need here. So run the npm and npm run dev, copy and paste that. If you are using a Livewire stack, you should first publish the Livewire stack blade components. Okay, so in our case, I'm going to add some components with Livewire. I'm going to run this command, php artisan vendor publish, and it's going to add all the components the Jetstream has inside the vendor. Okay, so run the PHP artisan migrate now. Good. And you see here the CSS has only 43 kilobytes because we are not using. Oh, so PHP artisan migrate, and you are gonna to see me, and when I have make an alias for the artisan command, just a, and migrate is the same thing as PHP artisan. I make an alias for short, just a. And now we have created the users table, password resets, failed jobs, personal access, and session table. Okay, after that run this command. And I'm going to open this in the VS Code. Okay, and in the .env we have the classified as database, the same thing I have created here. And the username is root and password is nothing, the same thing I have in our configuration in MySQL. And here is the URL. HTTP is coming by default when we install the Laravel. And now we come here and refresh this one. We have the register and login routes here. Go to the register, take filler here, and register user. And here we have the username. We have a profile here. This is the dashboard. Go to the profile, and this is the Jetstream dashboard. Okay, not why it's taking so long. Maybe it's my computer. Profile. Yeah. And here we can update the password. You have not enabled the two-factor authentication. We are logging in this device, and it's using a Chrome in the Chrome browser. So if I open this in another browser, and we are going to see it here, we can delete the account. And that's it for this video. We just installed the Jetstream, and in another video I'm going to, this is using the tiling CSS. I think when you can see, yeah, Jetstream is designed using tiling CSS. In another video I'm going to change the dashboard we have here. Okay, because here I want to display other things. Okay friends, hope you are well, and see you in the next one. All the best.